Welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be providing you the solution of assessing data quality with Dataplex. So if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing lab solution, and like the video and share the video to your friend circle. Let's get started. Just click on the start lab button. Copy the passport, open the Google Cloud Console in an incognito window. Now click on next button. Now paste the passport, then click on the next button. Now click on I understand. Now tick the checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now go back to the lab instructions. Scroll it down. Now copy this cloud Dataplex API. Now go to the in the search bar, paste this text, and from the Google Cloud Dataplex API, Google Enterprise API, click on it. Now click on enable. Now the Cloud Dataplex API is enabled. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this Dataplex. Go to the Cloud Console. In the search bar, type Dataplex. Then select Intelligent Data Fabric. Now under the manage lake, click on the manage. Now click on create lake. Now for the name, go back to the lab instruction, copy this e-commerce lake. Paste it in the display name. Now for the region, go back to the lab instruction. My region is US East 1. Your region might differ. You have to select your region according to your lab instruction. I will select US East 1. Now keep the other default setting. Now click on the create button at the bottom. Now it will take time for the lake to be created. Wait for that, or you can comment any doubt related to Arcade Labs. Now our lake has been created. Just click on the lake name, Economic Lake. Now click on add zone. Now for the zone name, go back to the lab instruction and scroll it down. Copy this customer contact row zone. Go back to the cloud console, paste it in the display name. Now for the type we have to select the row zone, and for the location we have to select regional. Now this is by default selected. Now expand the discovery setting, and you should enable the data metadata discovery. Now click on create button. Now the zone will be created. Now click on the zone. So our zone is created. Just click on the customer contact row zone and click on the add assets. Now click on add an asset. Now for the type, you should select BigQuery data type. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, copy this contact info. From here, go to this cloud console in the display name, paste it out. Do not change the ID. Now for the data set, click on browse. Now we have to select dot customer. Now click on the customer, third option, or you can go back. Now tick this checkbox and click on select. After then click on done. Now click on continue. Now for the discovery setting, we should select inherit. Click on continue. Then click on submit. Now it will take few seconds for the creation of the asset. You can wait for that. Now our asset has been created. Now go back to the lab instruction. Click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick, just like this video. Now go back to the lab instruction. Go to the navigation menu and go to the BigQuery and select SQL workspace. Or you can go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, select SQL workspace. From here, go to the cloud console. In the search bar, paste it and then click on the search. Now select the SQL workspace for the BigQuery. Now click on done. Now you have to expand the this project ID. Now from here you have to expand the customer contact row zone. Expand it out by the arrow in the setting. Now click on it. Now expand the customer. Now click on contact information. Now this type of interface you will get it out. Now for the query, click on the query, click on new tab. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this query from here, go to the cloud console, replace it with it, then click on the run button. Now this type of result you will get, you can check it out. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll down, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now we have to create and upload a data quality specification file. For that, scroll it down, copy this command, go to the cloud console, activate the cloud shell. Now click on continue. Now click on got it. Now paste the command here, then press enter. Let me increase the size of shell. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy this command from here, go to the cloud shell, paste it. Now review the code. Now you have to save it. For that, press Ctrl+X, then capital Y, then press enter key. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now copy this command, go to the cloud shell, paste it, then press enter. Now click on authorize. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, just like this video. Now in the task 4, we have to define and run a data quality job in the Dataplex. For that, go back to the lab instruction, minimize the size of the cloud shell or cancel it out. In the search bar, you have to type Dataplex. Now click on leave. Let the Dataplex window to be open. Now you have to select the first option, Dataplex. Now under the manage lake, you have to select the process. Click on the process option. Now click on create task. At the top there is an option for creating a task. Now for the Dataplex lake. Now click on. Now we have to create a task. For that, now click on processes. There are different options for the creating. Now click on create task. Now for check data quality, we have to create a task. Click on it. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down. Now copy this display name from here, go to the shell and paste it in the display name. For the Dataplex lake, select e-commerce lake. Now make the default ID. Now for the GCS file, click on browse, select it out, or click on the arrow ahead of the project bucket Now select the customer row data.yaml. Click on select button. Now for the BigQuery dataset, click on browse. Now select the customer DQ datasheet. Tick this checkbox and click on select. Now go back to the lab instructions. Copy these DQ results. Go to the cloud console and paste in the BigQuery table. Now for the user account, select it out and select Compute Engine Default Service Account. Now leave other default values, then click on Continue. Now for the start, select immediately and click on Create. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Now it will take time for the updation of status. Click on please create a data quality job name customer data as mentioned. If already done, wait until the DQ result table is created. Now we have to wait for the table to be created. Now you can click on the customer data quality. Now click on the job ID. Now its status is pending. Once its status will be completed, then we can click on check my progress to get so that we get the green tick. So wait for that. Click on refresh. Till it is showing pending. We have to wait. Click on check my progress. Now go back to the lab instruction. We have to wait for the status to remove pending. Now you can see the output in this where the command is running. Wait until the command run completely. So here we the status is now become running from the from the pending. Still we have to wait for now. Now we have succeeded get the status. So now we can click on check my progress. We will get a green tick here. So now we have to review the data quality. For that, go back to the lab instruction, or you can go back to the lab instruction, click on SQL workspace. Copy this SQL workspace from here. Go to this, in the search bar type SQL workspace. Now select the SQL workspace for the BigQuery. Now expand the project ID. Now expand the customer DQ dataset. Now click on the click on the DQ summary. Now click on preview. Now scroll it down. Scroll it right, and we have to, here you get the field records query. Now click on the down arrow in the first row to expand the text and view the entire query for the valid email. Now expand it out. Now you can see what is wrong in this. Now click on the compose new query. Click on query and click on new tab. Now go to this, and we have to copy this out. Now copy this out and go to the our newly created query. Just replace this with our copied content. Now click on run button. Now you can see the output in the bottom of the window. Now with this step we have to repeat for 7 to 8 times. For the second cell, for that go to the DQ summary and expand the code. Now copy this code from here. Now go to the newly created, or you can create a new SQL query. Paste the code. Now click on the run button. Now our query has been run. You can check it out from the result. Now we have to run this 7 to 8 times. Let's go back to, now scroll it down, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. So this lab has been completed. Just click on the end lab and click on cancel. So whosoever has completed this lab with me, just comment completed to the comment box. And if you still have any additional doubts, you can ask us in the comment box. And like the video and share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. And we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some support and love by just subscribing to our channel for getting this amazing lab solution with the updated information of the arcades. Now this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.